Hello everybody, Mr. Wilson here again. Thought it was time for another tutorial. We're going to have a go at You Somebody by the Kings of Leon. Leo, who used to play the bass in Take It to the Bridge, he said, I've learnt this really cool bass line, Mr. Wilson. Do you want to hear it? I said, go. I said, let's have a listen to it. And he said, it goes like this. There's a few more embellishments, but that's kind of the gist of it. And I said, okay, we'll have a go at that. And it's a really lovely song. There's not many chords. We start off with a C, and then we're going to take our thumb off, and we're going to not dampen the bottom E string because that was the E note in the bass line that Leo played. So you can hear that E ringing out, but it's with a C chord playing. But normally we don't hit the bottom string. And then we go to an F, and you can either play that 3-fingered, 4-fingered, barring with that first finger on the first 2 strings, or barring all the way. Up to you how you want to play your F. And so the first bit then goes, oh, 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 and again, oh, 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 and then we still keep those same chords when we get the first words. I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. Okay, so we've had that C with the open E string at the, next, and then the F chord. Then we're going to come to an A minor. You know that I could use somebody. Go to a C. Oh, 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 back to our F again. Okay, A minor again. You know that I could use somebody. Oh, oh, oh. Now I've been playing one strum for every chord there at the moment, just to kind of keep a kind of slow feel to it to start with, and then we could either keep on that single strum, or we could do some more strums as we go on. Someone like, so then the next words, I always forget my words, don't I? So let me just get back my words back. Where are we? I've lost you. Aha, someone like you and all you know and how you speak. Okay, so someone like you and all you know and how you speak. Countless lovers under cover of the streets. Back to that A minor. You know that I could use somebody to the C. Oh, you know that I could use somebody. Oh, someone like me. Oh, oh, someone like me. Oh, oh, someone like me. A minor. Oh, A minor again. A minor. Oh, to C. Oh, to the F. Okay. Then we come on to, then we go back, we can go back slightly quieter again. So we're going to be Off in the Night. So we're going to go back to our C. Now you can go back to off in the night while I'm living up, I'm off to sleep. Okay, all right. So you can do that with single strums. Then we'd have waging war to shape the poet and the beats. Okay. I hope it's gonna make you notice. Oh, you can put in the OO if you want to. I hope it's gonna make you notice. Oh, sorry. Hope it's gonna make you notice to the C and then to the F. Someone like me. Oh, oh, oh. Someone like me. Around, always looking down at all I see. And we just slowed it down. In the real song, the original version by Kings of Leon, there is a bit in the middle where saying I'm ready, and it's just 2 chords, D and an F sharp, I think it is. It doesn't lend a lot, I don't think, to the song with the way that we're playing it, because there's a guitar solo, an instrument break, so we want to keep us singing as much as we humanly can. So we ditch that bit and we just use all the words, which I think are really, really cool. If you follow the words will put on Class Dojo as well, so you'll have all those as well. You will have noticed that Mr. Wilson sang the wrong words on the second verse. I sang on the first chorus, actually. I sang someone like me instead of someone like you. But you can be looking at the words there and be singing along to it yourself. I'm just going to teach you one, or lots of people might know already, but there's a little technique in that. To start with, in the song, we were trying to be quiet. We were just doing single strums, or when we want to come back quieter again after the first chorus, we came back a bit quieter, so we were doing single strums. I want to just talk just for a minute about a little technique called palm muting. And what that is where you're resting your palm. I'm going to try and come in close enough there. Resting your palm just on your strings, but not so much that you can't hear anything at all, and not at all so you can still hear the guitar, the strings ringing out really bright like that. You want it just resting lightly, and then we'd have I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Waiting for... I've got the words entirely wrong there. Painted faces fill the spaces I can see. You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody. And then you could come in, then you could come in, and then you could be playing the chords nice and open. Just a little technique to have a little try of. Hope you enjoy that. See you next time. Keep practicing.